आ गए हैं, चांसलर सर भी आ गए हैं।
अच्छा, ओके।
There's a lot of vehicle noise coming around. Please remain on mute in case those noises can be avoided. So only when your turn comes to speak, we should be able to speak on that. Can you just look into it, sir?
Sir, good morning.
Morning, sir. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Chadha, Dr.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Rakesh Mohan, Dr. Yogendra Kumar.
Very good morning, sir.
जोगेंद्र जी, आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आज के लिए।
थैंक यू। पूजा मैम,
यस सर।
कुछ स्पीकर्स भी हमारे साथ
सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
सर
कुछ स्पीकर्स भी हमारे साथ रहेंगे तो उनका भी वेलकम कर दीजिएगा।
चांसलर सर अभी ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं 2 मिनट में।
हाँ सर। ठीक है, ठीक चल रहे।
चड्ढा जी, गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, कैसे हैं?
बहुत बढ़िया। आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आज के आपके इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की।
धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद।
पूजा मैम,
Should we start, sir, with your permission? Chancellor, sir. PVC, sir.
Yeah, I think Chancellor sir, once he's ready, he should be able to communicate to you. Can you just check up with him? Chancellor sir should be ready, no? Because after you
He came, sir. He came. He said good morning, and I think hopefully he's with us.
Yeah, I think he's online.
Should we start, sir? With your permission?
Very good morning. I hope I am well on time.
Right, sir. Dr. Pooja, please.
I realized
Yes.
that I had logged in a little early. So,
Good morning, sir.
good morning, everyone.
Sir, should we start with your permission, sir?
We should start as per schedule.
9:30 is the schedule, sir.
Okay, right.
Right.
So
Dr.
I'll
Pooja,
come
please.
at the right time.
तो आप करेंगे पूजा
Dr. Pooja.
Okay, sir. A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Pooja Swaroop Saxena from School of Physical Sciences welcomes you all for joining us on the occasion of inaugural ceremony of Faculty Development Program on Differential Equations, Theory, Analysis and Applications with MATLAB at DIT University. I heartily welcome all our respectable guests present over here. We live at the age of astonishing advancement. Engineers can create robots, physicists can describe the motion of waves, pendulums, or chaotic systems, while we communicate wirelessly in the vast worldwide network. But underlying these modern wonders are deep and mysterious powerful. They are called differential equations. The main objective of this FDP is to bring researchers and academicians together working on different aspects of differential equations and their application. It's a great pleasure to have a galaxy of knowledgeable eminent speakers with us for sharing their knowledge. Now I would like to introduce our Dean, School of Physical Sciences, Dr. Naresh Chadha. He is an experienced researcher and mathematician having more than 20 years of experience in teaching and research. He has done his postdoc from National University of Ireland, Galway. His area of expertise are science computing, numerical analysis, and differential equation. He is recipient of prestigious Royal Irish Fellowship Award, and he has more than 22 years of experience in teaching mathematics, both in India and abroad. He has published several scientific research papers in the leading peer-reviewed journal in his area and have participated in various international conferences. Recently, he published a book titled Programming in MATLAB with Applied Numerical Methods for Engineers and Scientists. Sir, I would like to invite you to give welcome speech. Please, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Very good morning to everyone. It's indeed a matter of honor and pride for me to welcome you all on my personal behalf and on behalf of DIT University on the occasion of National Workshop on Differential Equations. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chancellor Sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, subject experts from diverse fields, lovely students from DIT University and other universities, and my young friends from various other universities all over the country. And I learned that we have few participants from US also. Now, differential equations, for me, I can easily connect with these two words because I also did my PhD in the area of differential equations only. And believe me, these two words are kind of fascinating words. When I started my PhD and the problem was given to me, I thought like I would be able to finish my PhD within 6 months. But once I started going into deep, I could realize this is not so easy. So differential equations, anything which is moving in the universe can be governed by differential equations. The simplest form may be ordinary differential equation. And then, of course, as the complexity increases, it may be nonlinear differential equations, then partial differential equations, then coupled differential equations, and all sort of things. And it has wide applications. As I said, anything which is moving in the universe can be governed by differential equations. It may be blood flow in the body, or it may be motion of planets. It may be air pollution. It may be image processing. It may be drug delivery. The applications are enormous. So once you start going into differential equation, the word of differential equations, then only you get into love with these two words. So I know, people have spent their entire life working on one aspect of differential equations. My area was singularly perturbed differential equations, and I was fortunate that I got the chance to interact with the leading researchers in this area, Shishkin, Bakhwalov, and J.J.H. Miller, Eugene O'Riordan, Martin Steins. They spent their entire life working on only one aspect of the differential equations. So this word of differential equation is, as I said, enormous. And then offshoots are also there. Then fractional differential equations are there. As I said, partial differential equations are there. Then integral differential equations are there. Then fractional differential equations are there. And of course, to connect these differential equations with real world problems, that again is a challenge. So the motivation to conduct this workshop is to motivate our young researchers to get introduced this fascinating world of differential equations. I'm honored to have our Vice Chancellor sir, our PVC sir, and one more emotional connect is there, Dr. Piyush Chandra. He gracefully accepted our invitation. He was my professor in IIT Kanpur. Then Professor Datti is here from TFR. Then Professor P.N. Agrawal is here with us from IIT Roorkee, and many other researchers, many other leading researchers, I would say, who could single-handedly steer the direction of the field. I welcome you all, sir, and I'm looking forward for having wonderful sessions ahead. The idea is basically we have invited these speakers from different areas connected to differential equations. The participants will be introduced to mathematical modeling. Then they will be introduced to theoretical stuff of differential equations. And I'm going to take a couple of sessions on MATLAB because implementation is. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Piyush Chandra, sir. Hearty welcome, sir.
Hi.
So I will take a couple of sessions on MATLAB, the implementation of this. Differential equations, as I said, they are not easy to deal with. Only in a very simple form of domains, we can find out the analytical solutions. Otherwise, we have to go for their numerical treatment. So we will be focusing on their numerical treatment also. So I'm looking forward to have wonderful sessions, sir. Once again, I welcome you all for this workshop. Sir, Piyush Chandra, sir, we have Honorable Chancellor, sir, with us, and Ravi Shankar ji. We have Pro Vice Chancellor, Shri Nivasan, sir, and Professor Rakesh Mohan is here. And we have more than 90 participants joining for this workshop here. Thank you everyone, and welcome once again.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcome. It's a matter of great pleasure that our Honorable Chancellor and Ravi Shankar sir is with us. Chancellor sir has a rich administrative experience with a flair of academics.
Thank you, Dr. Pooja Swarup Saxena. I would not like to get into this whole business of introduction. I will introduce myself. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. A very good morning to all of you. Dr. Naresh Mohan Chadda, Dean of Physical Sciences, Dr. Rakesh Mohan, Dean Students Welfare and HOD of the Department of Mathematics of DIT University, Dr. Srinivasan, our Pro Vice Chancellor at DIT University, all academics who are associated with the organization of this webinar, if I may call it, Professor Piyush Chandra, Professor Mrityunjay Singh, the lead speakers for today, I understand Professor Diman, Professor K.S. Mathur and Professor Priyadarshi are the lead speakers for today, and some may be joining tomorrow and the day after. It's a 3-day function. The whole theme of this webinar, seminar, differential equations, as Dr. Chadda mentioned in his opening remarks, is an area which can occupy a whole lifetime. So I'm not getting into it. And you have got the new and the old, the MATLAB and differential equation. You are bringing about what can be called an amalgam of the same. So I think the 3-day session is devoted towards differential equations analysis and its variations, and the use of MATLAB in order that the whole process in IT world is sort of brought to a very concise form that you don't need to go back end. You use the thing front end, and the user friendliness is what comes out of this whole IT revolution that we have gone through. I understand the whole gamut of, uh, I would say, experts talking on different aspects of the differential equations, looking at modeling and its applications. I think at the end of the day, we are trying to say that differential equations is something that you use in any endeavor of human activity. And if you are going to use it in any human activity, these days we are all the time looking at data related to COVID. So when you use the whole MATLAB exposure phenomena to this whole data and try to look at it, whether it is in a COVID phenomena or whether it is in the meteorological phenomena or any other phenomena, you are basically trying to understand data, its configuration, its little variations as differential equations would mean, and the purpose of everything is to try and make decisions based on the data that comes out of the whole MATLAB exercise. We today have what can be called as high frequency trading. That's where the mathematics and computer science sort of get enmeshed, and it forms one of the highest forms of usage in all your stock exchanges. You have your space galactic mission of Richard Branson. So you would have usage of data and its analysis on real-time basis in those particular things. I think it's a wonderful experience to see that something which is very specialized like differential equation, very basic and common, can be applied in every sphere of human activity. I am sure that the 3-day seminar, webinar would be very useful to all young researchers and academics who are involved in very many activities. I would think that convergent thinking is the order of the day, and we need to look at research as something which leads to betterment in human activity. Climate change is one, something which we are all. Yesterday I was reading an article which talks about Lake Michigan and the river Chicago flowing through the huge city of metropolis of Chicago, and the water levels that can have an impact on a decade back there was some drought, but then again in 2014 you had the river level rising, then 2020 you had some difficult years. So you have to do modeling based on data over, let's say, a long term. But climate change makes it all the more difficult to understand and analyze. I think we are in what can be called as the thing, an interesting times. We are living in interesting times. We need to see how we can bring about a marriage of mathematics and MATLAB, computer science, to understanding human activity better. I wish this seminar all the very best, and thank each and every expert who have sort of given their consent to partake in our little activity. Thank you very much. Once again, wishing the entire team all the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now I would like to invite Professor Srinivasan, sir, for your opening remarks.
Yeah. Extremely grateful to each one of you for including me as part of this lovely event. At the outset, I wish to congratulate you and your team for organizing the event. Simultaneously, it is with immense pleasure that on behalf of DIT fraternity, I wish to invite our 14 guest speakers along with all their eminence, distinguished and in fact highly achieved credentials I do wish to say that during the course of the next 5 days, 7 sessions, 14 distinguished speakers with eminence and accomplishments are actually going to give us a lot of intriguing takeaways from here. I do wish to compliment you, Dr. Chadha, for having chosen the topics absolutely relevant. When I look at it from the management side, I look at 3 verticals of UG PG program. Then I also look at the new NEP, which is going to take its shape in due course, and ultimately coming down to research. Now with the maths department and specifically the School of Physical Sciences taking this initiative, I focus on these 3 verticals to try and see, under COVID condition, we have accelerated many processes. We are looking at concepts of blended learning. We are looking at concepts of research based learning. Ultimately, what exactly is it when it comes down to a BTech program? We are trying to look at the theoretical knowledge being converted after due analysis to applications. Now, this is where a university like DIT can come up in the forefront, along with the support of such eminent speakers who obviously will be our beacon and the pathfinders for us to take us ahead. And so goes for our research scholars. Guide us to those areas of specializations and specifications as identified by you in those 7 sessions. We need to utilize their knowledge and expertise. And I'm sure during the course of the next 5 days, we will have a large number of such takeaways. So I look at it from this point of view, though when I read differential equations, and thank God Pooja ma'am does not have to introduce me and my 11th standard background, maths is always I can't say a weakness, but always it is shock and awe. I mean, both as a impact power on me. So instead of, if she had introduced me, my weakness would have come out into the forefront. And I'm very grateful that that opportunity was not given to her due to technical reasons. So I take this from there to try and say the diversity in the application of whatever is going to be discussed in due course of time will help DIT University identify those small areas and of perfection that we need to take it up in the field of research. I'm sure, sir, we will have good inputs from you and the team and try and dwell upon it, create the necessary infrastructure and the wherewithal to try and progress on the outcomes of this workshop. I do hope all faculty members contribute in this interaction with all the experts and then chalk out a plan which we shall unfold during the course of the next few years to see DIT University from good to great. I wish you all the best and take this opportunity to each one of you all to convey, of course, that we look forward to a lovely interaction. Thank you very much and Jai Hind to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir, due to some network connection, I was unable to introduce you. It's my fault.
मैं बच गया.
No, sir, आप नहीं बचे.
Please, ma'am.
To the guest, sir, I would like to introduce our most respectable Pro Vice Chancellor Brigadier Dr. M. Srinivasan. He is an illustrious army career spanning over.
हो गया. They know.
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
सबको
sir,
पता होना
just a
चाहिए.
He is an alumnus of National Defense Academy. He has done his master's in management studies from Osmania University. He has done his PhD from Symbiosis Center for Research and Innovation, Symbiosis International Deemed University. He has to his credit a balanced exposure to combat situation, development and systems of defense infrastructure and academic pursuits. I'm highly delighted, sir, to be you with us. And thank you for your most thought-provoking words. We are very much honored that Chancellor Sir and Pro Chancellor Sir are with us today. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Now I would like to introduce Professor Rakesh Mohan, Dean Student Welfare, DIT University. He has done his PhD from IIT BHU Varanasi. He has published several scientific research papers in SCI and Scopus Index Journal in his area. He has also published 3 books on engineering mathematics. His area of expertise are special functions, differential equations, and applied mathematics. I am glad to invite Dr. Rakesh Mohan sir for vote of thanks.
Thank
Please.
you, Pooja ji. Thank you. A very good morning and warm welcome to all in this 5-day online workshop organized by Department of Mathematics, DIT University. At the outset, I convey my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Sri N. Ravishankarji, Chancellor of DIT University, and guest of honor Brigadier Dr. M. Srinivasan, Pro Vice Chancellor of DIT University, for sparing their precious time for this workshop. It is their encouragement, motivation, and guidance which lead to this workshop. I express my heartfelt thanks for their support and help during the planning and execution of this event. On behalf of the School of Physical Sciences, I express my thanks to our distinguished speakers for taking time out of their busy schedule to share their knowledge and make this workshop a learning platform. Dear participants, a lot is to be learned during these 5 days through interactive expert lectures of our eminent speakers. The essence of the workshop is to make you familiar with one of the popular and widely employed construct differential equations. Many physical, biological process and natural phenomena are modeling using differential equations. Differential equations plays a vital role in modeling real-life problems and have wide applications in different fields. The theme of the workshop itself reveals the intention, where you are going to learn theory and analysis of differential equations, mathematical modeling, recent developments, and its applications with MATLAB. I am sure it is going to be very useful for you all, especially those who are working in this specific field. I thank you all for being a part of this workshop. Your participation made the event meaningful and successful. I express my warm wishes to you all. I extend my special thanks to Dr. Jogendra Kumar, convener of this workshop, who left no stone unturned to make this workshop happen. It is a hard work and efforts that result in the present moment we are at. I also convey my vote of thanks to the organizing committee for their collective teamwork. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your vote of thanks.
Pooja ma'am.
Now I would like to thank all for joining the inaugural session and make it a successful event.
Pooja
Your
ma'am.
presence makes this event successful. And next session will be started at 10:30 a.m. and you all are requested to
Pooja ma'am.
join.
Joginder sir wants to say something.
Yeah, Pooja ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Let us invite our speaker. Let us request them to on their video so that we have some pics, right?
Okay.
Just turn on, I request you to turn on your video so that we can take a snap of it.
Our respected speaker, please on your video.
All the participants can.
All the respected speakers are requested to please turn on their videos.
Datti sir, thank you, sir. Thank you. Mrityunjay sir, welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Welcome, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, Dr. Isha, ma'am, if you want to say something about this FDP, then you are requested to please.
Okay, I would just say a very good morning, everyone. And I would like to start by thanking Dr. Jogendra Kumar, who gave me this chance to be present as a guest speaker. And he has been quite interactive throughout the last 2 weeks and giving me all the updates, how we are going to proceed and helping me in figuring out suitable time and all. Although he has made me the first one to speak about, but that's completely fine. So yes, I'm looking forward for an interactive session at 10:30. And
yes,
thank
sure.
you.
Let us request P.S. Datti sir and then Piyush Chandra sir. MST sir, please.
So you are on mute, sir.
Good morning, everyone. My special thanks to Dr. Jogendra Kumar ji for giving me this opportunity to be part of this workshop. So he has really worked hard and found many very good resource persons for this workshop. And in this pandemic time, so this is the best situation for youngsters. And I wish success for the workshop and good luck to the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Let us invite Piyush Chandra sir for his word of wisdom. Sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Jogendra Kumar. Yes, you have been pursuing it for quite some time that I should be talking about something here. And so, I am not very happy to give a webinar. I accept it because you have been pursuing it for a very long time. Because it doesn't give me a feel of giving a seminar, essentially. I'm sure many of us will have that same feeling. And it's so nice to see Professor Datti and others, and Dr. Naresh Mohan Kadda, with whom I have been interacting for a very long time. Well, yes, differential equations do play a very important role in mathematical modeling, and it has been used for quite a long time. When I was asked to give a talk on differential equation, I said, okay, I will give a talk on differential equations. But when the format came, there were 3 talks which were of the similar nature, and they were overlapping my talk. So I requested Dr. Jogendra Kumar to change my title, and now I will be talking on mathematical modeling of ecological system here, which had not been covered. And he had kindly agreed. So thank you so much, and wish you all the best for this workshop.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, next time we will try to make arrangement to meet you on campus, sir.
Yes, yes.
We would also be very happy to have you here. I mean, due to this COVID scenario, we are kind of hand-tied. We have constraints. And I would request all participants to have a cup of tea from our side, because we don't have any provision to provide a cup of tea in virtual mode.
But
So next time, I'm sure that when we are going to meet in campus, we will be a good host for you, and you will enjoy our visit.
sir, let us invite Mrityunjay sir.
Right.
Mrityunjay sir,
Sir is there. Right.
Just a comment that it would be nice to have a course on mathematical modeling, in case you don't have it in your curriculum for UG as well as PG.
We have one course, sir, on mathematical modeling.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah. But we would be very happy to make use of your expertise and to invite you for maybe a 1-week workshop on mathematical modeling, something like this.
We will see.
Yeah, Mrityunjay sir, please. You are on mute, sir.
Okay, good morning to you all, sir. First of all, I would like to thank the DITM and especially Dr. Jogendra Kumar, who has given us opportunity as a speaker in this particular workshop, and which is very well designed. And as the earlier speaker has said, it's a very resourceful person has been made over here. Exclusively, I would like to name Professor P.S. Datti sir, which I had in introduction at IIT Ahmedabad as well, and Professor Piyush Chandra sir, and other speakers as well. So I hope the deliberations which will be made during these 5 days exclusively on the differential equation and its applications. So while going through the topics of deliberations, it's a very fruitful, I hope. So thank you very much, sir, for your organizing this kind of workshop, and we will be getting the opportunity to deliver our own word of wisdom on the specialized topic. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Pooja ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So once again, on behalf of the team of FDP team, I would like to thank all of you. The next session will be started at 10:30 a.m. and I requested to join the session, please.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Jai
sir.
Thank you all. Thank you
See
all.
you in
Thank you.
technical session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Srinivasa, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chancellor,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.